Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a rocking chair that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x3 jumper plate. I'm going to take an inverted 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. I'm going to place one on each end of this 1x3 jumper plate. Then I'm going to take a 2x2 seat, place it on the back as shown. I'm going to slide this out of the way. I'm going to take another 1x3 jumper plate and some 1x1 plates with holder. Place these on as shown. Then I'm going to slide this on the bottom portion of our seat. Now we got the rocking base, but we need some handles. So I'm going to take some of these spray nozzles that are in gold. You could use any color you choose. I'm going to set these right inside there, and I'm going to swing those right up against the seat. Make some nice lovely arms for the rocking chair. I would use dark orange, but they don't make this part in that color, so I thought gold would be perfect to complete the rocking chair.